Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to remove the door panel on this BMW X1 from 2025. In order to remove the door panel, we have to remove this little plastic trim right here. We need a small plastic removal tool, and underneath we have a screw Torx T25. Another screw we have right here, and the third one is right down. Okay, so first we have to remove this plastic trim. It comes out really easily. Now we remove the screw with Torx T25. Another screw. Okay, and the third one is right here. Now take your plastic removal tool and start always from the bottom. Put your plastic removal tool underneath the door panel and push it. After that, slide it upside. And like this you remove the door panel.